Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling daily coaching on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you enable daily coaching, you will get notifications that help you complete your daily goals and monthly challenges. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Activity. Then tap the toggle to the right of Daily Coaching to enable or disable it. When the toggle is green, Daily Coaching is enabled, and when grey, it is not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.